Assalamu alaikum to all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you the first unit of metric class, contributions of notable leaders. That means mashahur agwanan ja karnama. First lesson जो हमने लिया the voice of God. ये उसने कोई मालूम लिखा the voice of God written by Lois I. Newman. That means Lois Israel Newman. I sought to hear the voice of God. I sought to hear the voice of God. मूं खुदा जो आवाज़ ॿुधण जी तलाश कई and climbed the topmost steeple. ऐं वॾे खां वॾी मीनार ते जेको आहे चढ़ियुसि. But God declared. पर खुदा वाज़े कयो, ऐलान कयो. Go down again. वरी वापसि वञ. I dwell among the people. आउं माण्हुनि जे विच में आहियां. That means if you want to see, if you want that where is God, God is omnipresent, God is everywhere. नीचे असांजा कुछ synonyms से word meaning लिखला. Contribution means कारनामा, notable means मशहूर, leader means अगवान, to seek means तलाश करण, sought means तलाश कयो, उन खां पोइ to climb means मथे चढ़ण, topmost means सभ खां मथे, steeple means मुनारो, to declare means ज़ाहिर करण या ऐलान करण, to dwell means रहण, among means विच में. हिते या इंग्लिश में synonyms लिखल अथव. Voice means sound, sought जो looked after, topmost जो highest, dwell जो सुनो live, hear जो सुनो listen, climb जो सुनो went up, steeple जो सुनो the tallest part of building. Thanks for watching. If you are new and you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, मुझे YouTube channel आए सर्व तेज़ा बेहतर है, सब्सक्राइब करो and ये वीडियो